solutions, colloids, and suspensions. They are all type of mixtures, but they are a little different. There are suspensions, there are solutions. First, solutions, and there are particles in it, and they are evenly dispersed, and they are also transparent. You can look through them, and they don't settle down over time. So evenly dispersed stays like ever fluid. Sweat, for example, there is the solute, salt, dissolved in the solvent, the water, and it is evenly dispersed, the salt, and it does not settle down, and you can look through it. Then there is something else, the colloids. For example, milk. And basically the main difference is the size of the particles. The milk proteins are too big, it is translucent, opaque, colloids usually. You cannot see it through milk. Milk is a solution and a colloid because in the milk there's also lactose and calcium salts, and therefore it is a solution because there is the lactose in it, for example, the milk sugar, the lactose, but there is also the milk proteins in it, and therefore it is a colloid because you cannot look through it. And then there are the suspensions, for example, blood. And blood, if it is drawn freshly, then it is reddish overall, but over time it will settle down, and at the top there will be the liquid part, the plasma. Now the plasma is a solution and a colloid because there are ions in it and other things. A solution completely dispersed, visible fluid, but there is also a colloid, the plasma part at the top of the whole blood, because of plasma proteins. Now in the blood cells they have settled down, and therefore it is a suspension because they settle down. So solutions evenly dispersed, visible fluid, stays like ever fluid. And colloids, you can't look through it because of milk proteins, for example, in milk. And blood is suspension. Over time, it will settle down. And that is according to JLZCLBPI and Center Principles of Anatomy and Physiology book, page 38. But this is no medical advice.